Hi, Michelle. So would you just start off by telling us a little bit about your firm?
I converted to estate planning in about 2013. I do estate planning, elder law, probate, and some adult guardianships.
And where are you located?
I'm in southern New Mexico. We serve all of southern New Mexico.
The entirety of southern New Mexico. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So how long have you been working with IMS?
A little over 2 years, or no, a little under 2 years now.
A little under 2 years. I know that before people call us, there's always something that's driving them to reach out and call us. So they have some challenge. What was your challenge?
The advertising agency I was working with was not focused specifically on estate planning, elder law. It was more of a general lawyer advertising. Mm-hmm. And so it didn't really help me as far as rating on Google or any of those.
So were you struggling with the revenue? Were you struggling with just seeing results from your advertising? What was it really that was like, I've got to do something different?
Right at first, everything started to improve, but after I was with him for a while, everything was so generic, and once the website was set up, it was just kind of expected to run. There was nothing added to it. There was nothing to help build through the years.
So you knew you needed something more.
You know, when you're getting calls from Los Angeles and New York and you can't help those people, it was pretty discouraging.
Okay. How'd you decide to call us?
I had heard you speak at a retreat, an estate planning attorney at a retreat, and it was in the back of my mind for years, to be honest with you. Mm-hmm. Finally, I saw an ad on Facebook, and I dialed the number for the free webinar. It worked.
Awesome. So how has it been in terms of meeting your goals, getting, a website that was actually working for you, getting ranked on Google? How's it been as far as achieving your goals since you've been with us?
I was exceptionally pleased with my website. It is very localized. It is all about, estate planning, elder law, probate, instead of just a lawyer ad, a billboard for lawyers. My revenue turned around really quickly, startlingly quickly. There was an increase in the number of good clients and the number of engagements. And honestly, within about 6 or 8 months, I was up on Google close to the top. And you just can't beat that.
That's great. What's it been like working with the team at IMS?
Been really awesome. I would have never thought of some of the things that have been done for me, nor would I have been able to find the people to do the things. I wouldn't have even known where to begin. So the fact that this is a whole team and they all pitch in is just really astounding.
Oh, that's just great to hear. If you could say, if there's one thing, I know there's lots of things, but is there one thing that you have enjoyed the most or that you felt like you benefited the most from?
When I put in a help ticket, I get almost immediate response. And not only the response, but whatever my request is or problem is handled very quickly. And they let me know what they're doing.
So it's just that feeling like you didn't just go to cyberspace. There's
right.
People there, real people.
Well, number one, they respond, and number two, they're telling me what they're doing to fix my problem or to answer my question.
That's great. I love hearing that. What would you say to any other attorney that might be thinking about working with IMS?
It's well worth the time and effort. You will be involved in the whole process, and that was, to me, kind of exciting because I learned the background. I like seeing and being part of it, knowing what's going on, and I just love the blogs. I think they are super because I can fashion them to my specific practice and my specific area.
Well, Michelle, we love having you as a client, and we look forward to getting you to that next level of your revenue and the way where you want to take your law firm.
Thank you. I appreciate that.